So today I'm going to make a vlog for everyone. So in this vlog you are seeing how to make a slime at home, and it is very easy to make. So we want first slime. So first we want a bowl and a spoon. Now first we want some Fevigum or Fevicol. Okay, and now we want acrylic colors. So here is my acrylic color. It is optional and you can take your color of your choice. Now we want detergent water. Now Boro plus antiseptic cream and also water. Yay! So let's make it. Oops. So let's open it first. So here we go. Pour some glue. Squeeze. 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 So here is our Fevigum. Yes. Now we want this Fevicol. Let's open it. So here we go. Now we would have some Fevicol. Squeeze. Just squeeze a little bit. Yes. It's okay now. Let's close it first. So next we want water. So we have taken 3 spoons water of this spoon. So let's mix it properly. Mix. So now we want this color, red color. So let's pour it. Good. So let's mix it properly. It's look like a pink color. Yeah, it's look like a light pink color. Nice color. Mix it properly. Mix. So now we want this Boro plus antiseptic cream. Enough. So we have to mix it properly. So let's mix it for 10 minutes. So now we want detergent water. Yay! So in this we have to put 2 tablespoons detergent water in this slime. For the spoon, that's Borax. So here is my activator, means detergent water. So let's mix it properly. Ring. Mix it properly. Mixing. So here is my cutie pinky slime, guys. So here is my pinky slime, and it is so cute. And some more. And some. Yeah. Powder here to make more stretchy.